Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Laqad kana lakum fi rasulillahi uswatun hasanah. Sadaqallahu mawlana al-azim. My respectable teacher and my dear audience, today topic of my speech is Seerah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our Prophet was born by 71 years after Jews. He was born on Monday, 20th April by 71 in Makkah in Banu Hashim, a noble family of Quraysh. In the same year, the incident of Ashab Fil happened. So Allah protected his house Kaaba from Abraham. He was named Muhammad by his grandfather. In the heavenly book, he was named Ahmad. Father's name is Abdullah, mother's name is Amna, grandfather's name is Abdul Muttalib. His lineage was superior and purer than the all-blessed lineage. His upbringing, his father mother died 2 months before his birth. After that, his mother took care of him for a few days. Then the initial care was entrusted to Halima radiallahu ta'ala. Arab used to send to children to nearby area to be breastfeed so that the language would be fluent, the upbringing would be good. So he stayed with Halima radiallahu ta'ala for 4 years and later he left to his mother. When he was 6 years old, his mother also died. Halima says, fasting, when he was fasting, he says, Allahu Akbar Kabira, walhamdulillahi kathira, wa subhanallahi bukratan wa asila. As the children, he was intelligent, wise, virtuous, grateful, and generous. All his life he was an example of morality, to speak good, to speak less, to avoid idle talk. Allah had protected him in his childhood from doing things that are against the prophethood. When he was 12 years old, he went on a trip to Syria with his uncle, and he met Hurairah, who was a great scholar of Christian. And he predicted prophethood, so Abu Talib sent him back to his homeland because of the menace of the Jews. When he was 25 years old, he married Khadija radiallahu anha, a noble lady of noble descent, who was known by the title of Tahira. The wedding ceremony was attended by Abu Talib and other prominent people of family. Khadija spent 24 years with him in every sorrow, every pain, in every difficult hour. The construction of the Kaaba had become rotten, but when the incident of destroying the restaurant happened, so they decided whoever come first to the mosque tomorrow will destroy it. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came first tomorrow. So everyone was happy. So he separated a sheet and placed the restaurant in it. So he held the hands which each corner of the sheet, then installed them with his hand. He used to go to Hara cave and worship Allah there. He used to take food for several days. Some sign of revelation appeared when he was 40 years old. Revelation came to him, and he usually continued to go to Hara cave as usual. At the same time, Jibreel came and said, Iqra. So he said, Mana biqari. The third time, Jibreel pressed them and said, then he began to read. This was the first revelation. After that, so he come to Hazrat Khadija in a state telling a story and said, give me something, and told her the whole story. Hazrat Khadija said, Allah will never fail to you. You show mercy, you take notice of needy, you help the weak. And she took her to her uncle Barkabinau, who had become blind. And he told the good news of prophethood. And he said, this was the same angel who used to come to Hazrat Musa. He was the last Paigambar of Allah. There will not become any messenger of Allah. May Allah grant us the ability to follow this statement. Okay, thanks.